Welcome you guys, welcome to Kiran Swati NEET tutorials. Now today we are going to discuss a new topic, so that's about phyllotaxy. What about phyllotaxy? Phyllotaxy means the arrangement of leaves on the stem or branch we call as a phyllotaxy. So how the leaves are arranged on the stem or branch, then what we call as, so that's about a phyllotaxy. So what about phyllotaxy? The arrangement of leaves on the stem or branch is called as phyllotaxy, right? So how they are arranged? Mainly three types of phyllotaxy is present. So first one we are starting with alternate phyllotaxy. What are those three types? First one is alternate phyllotaxy, and next one is opposite phyllotaxy, and next one is whorled phyllotaxy. Right? Alternate phyllotaxy, opposite phyllotaxy, and whorled phyllotaxy. So first we are starting with the alternate phyllotaxy. So how the leaves are arranged in alternate phyllotaxy? So we already know about alternate phyllotaxy, right? So see, it is a stem. So what is the characteristic feature of stem? It is having a nodes and internodes. At every node, it will produce a single leaf in alternate manner. Right? So at every node it will produce a single leaf. So again it will produce another leaf in this direction, another leaf in this direction. So this type of arrangement is called as alternate phyllotaxy. So what is the use of this alternate phyllotaxy? So the arrangement of leaves, it is helpful for easily taking of exchanging of gases as well as sunlight. So that is the main purpose of a phyllotaxy. Proper taking of sunlight as well as exchange of gases. So next phyllotaxy is what? Opposite phyllotaxy. So what about opposite phyllotaxy? So example for alternate phyllotaxy is mustard and China rose. So next phyllotaxy is what? Opposite phyllotaxy. So in opposite phyllotaxy, it is a stem. Here it is having nodes. At every node, it will produce a pair of leaves in opposite direction. So these are the two leaves. It is present in a opposite direction. Opposite phyllotaxy means the arrangement of leaves in opposite direction we call as a opposite phyllotaxy, two leaves, right? So what is the example for this one? So here the example is Goa and Calotropis. So next phyllotaxy is what? Whorled phyllotaxy. So in whorled phyllotaxy, it is a stem. Here it is having nodes and internodes. So at every node, it will produce more than two leaves. Here only one leaf, two leaves in opposite direction, and then more than two leaves. At every node, it will produce a more than two leaves in a whorled manner. right? So this type of phyllotaxy we call as a oral phyllotaxy. So example for oral phyllotaxy is Nerium and Alastonia. Right? So it is about various types of phyllotaxy. So in alternate phyllotaxy, the leaves are arranged in a alternate manner. At every node, it will produce a single leaf. In opposite phyllotaxy, the pair of leaves it is present in opposite direction at single node. In oral phyllotaxy, at every node it will produce more than 2 leaves. They are arranged in a oral manner. Right? So it is about you guys. I hope it is helpful for you guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.